Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your family's health with Walgreens, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting your nearest Walgreens store or their website. Check if you have a Walgreens Balance Rewards card, as it offers points for health-related purchases. Visit the pharmacy section to explore a range of health services available, including immunizations and health screenings. Consult with the pharmacist about any health concerns or medications your family may have. Take advantage of the in-store clinics for minor health issues, where you can see a healthcare professional. Download the Walgreens app for easy access to your prescriptions and health records. Use the app to set medication reminders for your family members, ensuring they never miss a dose. Explore the wellness section of Walgreens for vitamins, supplements, and health products tailored to your family's needs. Join Walgreens health and wellness programs, which often provide personalized health tips and rewards for healthy activities. Consider scheduling regular health checkups for your family through Walgreens healthcare services. Utilize the flu shot and vaccine services offered during flu season and other preventative health options. Keep track of your family's health metrics, such as blood pressure and BMI, using the health management tools available through Walgreens. Stay informed about any upcoming health events or workshops hosted by Walgreens in your community, focusing on nutrition, fitness, and overall wellness. Engage with Walgreens online health resources, offering articles and tips about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate Walgreens special promotions to stock up on healthy snacks and wellness products affordably. Regularly review your family's health goals and adjust your wellness routine based on advice received during consultations at Walgreens. With these steps, you can make informed decisions to optimize your family's health while utilizing Walgreens resources effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.